this place. 0 stars, my friend. 0. This is outrageous. I want to speak to the manager right now. You hear me?
We kill humans dead. 100% guaranteed for your money back. Need a demonstration?
You're not paying attention to me.
You never get used to that smell.
Oh my God! I'm literally being killed by a
Human messes and claim our rightful place as the apex predators of this planet. That's right, my brothers and sisters. It's time to rise up. One thing no human pest can resist. The squeeze. Exterminate with extreme passion. They poisoned and polluted our home for life.